Hey everybody, if you don't already know, I'm O and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a little shopping, a little decorating, bringing some fall elements to our patio and including a cool new feature. Check it out. I wanted to see how well my husband knew me and if he could spot the pumpkin that I wanted. I know. I wasn't looking for too much in these stores because this year I definitely want to dial it back a bit. Also, I knew I had tons left over from last year and I wanted to make sure that I incorporated some of my DIYs. Have you guys been out shopping for any new fall decor? Is anything, sticking out to you, or does this feel like the same old stuff? Let me know down in the comments. I had been waiting for this package to arrive and it literally showed up as my family and I were heading out the door for our family trip, so we had to bring it in the house and hit the road. We had a blast. I actually did a mini vlog, so check that out, but it was time to get this bad boy unboxed. I've definitely mentioned many times that my family and I spend tons of time out here on our screened-in porch, but now, thanks to Newair, we can take this patio experience to the next level. As you can see, I must clean as I go. That is very important. Very, very important. It was so funny how intimidated I was by all of these wires because I've never seen the back of a refrigerator before. I left all of that for my husband. I love how nice and lightweight this mini fridge is. I was able to lift it by myself, no problem. Here she is, the Newair compact mini refrigerator with freezer and can dispenser. You guys, I've seen many mini refrigerators, but one with its own full separate freezer, game changer. While I go ahead and unpack the rest of this fridge, I want to say welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm a wife and mother who loves to bring you lifestyle, including some home decor, home improvement. I do tons of DIYs and all kinds of good stuff. So if that sounds awesome to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button on your way out. And don't forget to show the like button some love. That's very, very important. But most important, I need you to make sure you ring my bell so that you're notified every time I release a new video. In addition to all of the features that I've shown you so far, as I was going through the manual, I noticed some other cool elements. These feet that are actually, you can adjust the height, and also you guys, you can change the direction of the door, like from left to right or right to left. That's pretty cool. It was time to get our new refrigerator in place. We wanted to plug it up and let it get cool. It is recommended that you allow it to sit for 2 to 3 hours before putting any fresh or frozen foods. We actually waited until the next day, and it was time to stock this bad boy. This is going to be perfect for the kids to grab a snack after school, hanging out here on the porch. Perfect for us, perfect for guests. Thanks so much to Newair for this new mini refrigerator and for providing a promo code for me to share with my tribe. It is back to school time. Maybe you have a family member headed off to college. You could even use this in your garage or your basement for extra refrigerator space. So you guys click the link in my description. Use the promo code MOMFRIDGE10 to get 10% off and get yourself a mini refrigerator. Okay, so I ran into a few dilemmas trying to get this fall decor out on the porch. This vase that I chose was not very lightweight, but because of the wind out there, it kept falling over. So I was adding some rocks to stabilize it. Look at it. That's the mess this lovely stuff is leaving. So I am going to use a little bit of adhesive. I think that like maybe some hairspray will work good, but I don't use hairspray, so I don't have any. So I'm just gonna lightly spray some of this on there and see if it'll help, decrease some of this fallout. I had to spray it. I had to, because as much as it gets windy out here, it would have blown all over the place. I also added a command strip to the bottom of the vase to hold it in place, just some extra hold to make sure that it doesn't fall over. So far, so good. I had been looking for this uva stalk, which I didn't even know it was called, but I had been looking for this stuff forever. I finally found it at Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off, so I got 2 packs at $15 each. I planned on using this beautiful thrift store find. If you've been following me for a while, you already know that I'm going to say my mother found it for me. I wanted to use this, but I was not thrilled with the condition of it. So I wanted to paint it, but very intricately. As you can see, I wanted to paint around the details on the corner. So I had to settle in. I knew I'd be there for a while. So I had to find something good to watch. Found a good podcast and got to paint. Well, guys, after all was said and done, I am thrilled with the outcome. I do hope you like it too. I had to have this adorable pumpkin pillow. I found it at Aldi. I'll try to link as much as I can in the description, and let me know if you spot any of my DIYs. Okay, you guys, that is it, and that is all. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. And until next time, thanks for watching.